Hey folks, got a Jeep Compass here. This is a 2018. Customer complaining some kind of a like a noise. You're stepping on the brakes every once in a while, but it doesn't do it all the time. It's occasional. So, checking the suspension, check the brakes. I don't find anything wrong. Yes, it could probably use front brakes. The pad's a little worn on the right side. Left side is fine. But the left rear is the only thing I have a problem with. If you can hear it up close, it's like a little scraping sound when it goes around to a certain spot. It's like going shh, 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 shh. Now if you look at the rotor's pretty rusty. If you look on the side of it, you can see there's pieces of rust on it. Sticking up. It's on the edge. It's also on the inside over here. But look at the brake pad here. I just want to show you that. Put a flashlight on it. Look at the brake pad there. See, you got a little gap there? That's some of the rust of the rotor getting fat and the rotor being worn. That the edge of the rotor is actually cutting into the tip of the pad. And you see a little gap there. See it? You gotta run the engine in order to get it, but if you listen carefully, you can hear the noise come up whenever you see that rust. Even though the brakes are half worn, I think to solve this problem is going to be brake pads and rotors. Otherwise, I don't see anything else. Nothing else. Alright. In case you ever hear that noise. Close. Down here, if you look at it, see the amount of rust. Yeah, the rotor's not perfectly smooth. Back there is all full of rust. Maybe that falls off and it gets caught up in the brake pads. That's when you get that noise for a little bit. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao. Talk about rust. Watch this. Remember, we're here trying to get like a little metal noise every once in a while. This is just taking the rotor off. It's already hitting. Look at that rust. See it? It accumulated so much that it started to go around the axle. Yeah. Rust. Russ is not a fan of brakes, that's for sure. Clean it all up. New rotors going in. There you go. Noisy brakes. Everybody looks at the front of the rotors with the wheels. Everybody says, nah, they're fine. Nothing wrong with my rotors. I don't need to change them when I change my brake pads. Does anybody look in the back of the rotors? Nope. So here's your squealing noise that you don't see from the front. It's in the back. Let's get the brake pad over here. Okay, there's one, there's two. There's the one that's wore out in the back. See? Somebody did brake pads on this. Didn't change the rotors because they don't see the rust in the back of the rotors. See what happens with new brake pads when you put it on old rotors? The rust goes and eats up the brake pad. So this sits like this. Like that. So this is lifted up. This is lifted up. What it does is it cuts its own groove into the brake pads. See that? And the noise is from the rust. You see this? You see the shiny spot here? See the shiny spots here starting? Okay. So when you step on the brakes go around. Or the rotor go around. And you see all the shiny spots. So that's the noise from your brakes. As it starts to dig into your new brake pads. Okay. That's why brake rotors are nice, flat, no rust, no flake. This is what the front looked like. Right? The front had a little bit of rust, but the back takes up a lot of rust. Let's go check out the other side. This is the passenger side. Same thing. See? Got a little lift here, a little lift here. You can see all the shiny marks. Okay? That's because the brake pads are contacting rust. They're not really contacting the brake pad, the brake rotor itself. So you're going to flip it around. Same thing. Look how much it grooved into it. Look how thick the pad is. But yet it's getting grooved because it's wearing out on the rust. See? There's another shiny spot there. All right, so all the shiny spots is where the brake pads are touching. That's a little squeaking noise. And sometimes squeaking noise goes away after a while, because after you cut off a little bit, after you grind a little bit of the rust, then the noise goes away, but then it goes to the next step, goes to the next one. All right, that's it. Noisy brakes. Thanks for watching.